This video is a review to help prepare you for our quiz, which is going to be on 12.1 to 12.3, which I know was a while ago, but if you remember, it was about identifying 3D figures and also finding volume, and then on 12.6, which is surface area. So our first questions is, can you classify different solids? You're going to have to do this on your quiz. So A, B, C, and D are all different solids, different 3D shapes. You need to figure out what names they are. So letter A, it's not only a prism, it's a rectangular prism. Prisms have two names. It's a rectangular prism. Letter B is a pyramid. It has a rectangle as its base, and the rest of the sides are triangles. Letter C is a cylinder. Looks like a soup can. And letter D is a cone. Looks like an ice cream cone. Number 2 says, find the volume of a rectangular prism with a length of 8 meters, width of 4.2 meters, and a height of 10 meters. So the volume of a prism is area of the base times height. Since we're talking about a rectangular prism, we know that area of the base is length times width, and then we still have to do times height. So now all I have to do is plug in what I know. My length is 8, my width is 4.2, and my height is 10. So in my calculator, I'm just going to type in 8 times 4.2 times 10, and I get a volume of 336 meters cubed. Volume is always cubed. Number 3, it says find the volume, round to the nearest whole number. So again, volume is area of the base times height. Since we're working with a cylinder, the area of the base is pi r squared, and then we still have times height. Now all we have to do is plug in what we know. Pi is 3.14. Radius, well, if this is 5, that's my diameter, so the radius is half of that, which means the radius is 2.5 squared, and then my height is 10. I have to do exponents first, so I'm going to take 2.5 squared, and that's going to give me 6.25. Now I can multiply those all together. I take 3.14 times 6.25 times 10. And I get a volume of 196.25. But it says round to the nearest whole number. So the nearest whole number is 196, and its volume, so it's inches cubed. Number 4 says find the total surface area and round to the nearest 10th. So this is surface area of a cylinder. I'm going to give you the formula, and we're going to plug in what we know from there. So surface area is pH plus 2 big B. It's a cylinder. P is perimeter of the base, so that's pi times diameter times height, plus 2 times area of a base is pi r squared, so 3.14 r squared. And now I just plug in what I know. Pi is 3.14. Diameter, if the radius is 4, that means my diameter is 8. My height is 10. Plus 2 times 3.14 times, and my radius is 4, so 4 squared. I know it looks like a lot, but it's nothing you can't handle. 4 squared, start with my exponent, is 16. Now I'm going to multiply these sections and then add them together. So first I'm going to take 3.14 times 8 times 10, and I get 251.2. Then I'm going to take 2 times 3.14 times 16, and I get 100.48. Now I just need to add these together. and I get 351.68. And it says round to the nearest tenth. So we have 351.7, and its surface area, so it's going to be inches squared. Your job now is to work on the review homework. If you need to go back and watch this video again, absolutely you can. Make sure you pause and take notes wherever you need.